Okay guys, you're welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to disable Facebook autoplay videos. You want to off your autoplay, so let's dive in. So this is our Facebook. The first step is click on your profile menu button and let's go down and click on settings. And the next step is you're going to scroll down here, scroll down and click on media. And the next step is scroll down and you can see autoplay. So autoplay, you can use two options. One option is on Wi-Fi only, and it is when you're connected to Wi-Fi that your videos will be automatically play. Or if you want to choose never autoplay, that means that video will never autoplay except you click on it to play. Or you use on mobile. When you have a mobile, your Facebook videos is going to play. So let's see what I'm talking about here. And also I'm going to click on never play of video. So let's go back and see the videos. You will see what I'm talking about. Those are the videos. You can see they are never going to play except I click on this play and it's going to play. So that is it. So guys, if you found this video helpful, click the like button, share and comment. Thank you guys.